So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get some coins for untradeable players in FIFA Mobile. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. As you know, right now we're getting a lot of events where we're getting untradeable cards that you cannot sell in the market. Of course, you cannot sell them, so you can't. You might think you can't make coins from them. We've got these exchanges as well where you can go ahead and put in 111 to 120 overall untradeable cards that you should definitely do. If you got any 111 to 120 overall untradeable cards in your team, go ahead and exchange them for club points, because that's the most important thing right now. You need to get as many club points as possible to open these founder exchange packs right now. So make sure to go ahead and do that. But there are some different exchanges as well for untradeable cards. For example, we've got coin exchanges in founders event or in foundation event. We've got some of these exchanges right there. As you can see, we've got the tradable ones as well as the untradable ones. And if you've got untradable 110 overall card or lower, you can go ahead and exchange them for some decent amount of coins. For example, we got this 102 to 105 overall exchange where you're getting a minimum amount of 117,000 coins, but you can also get up to 1.4 mil. So you can go on and do a couple of these, for example, and try to get up to 1.4 million coins. You're not losing anything, are you? You don't really need any of these cards out of the way, so you might as well just put them in this exchange and get as much coins as possible. We've got this one as well as we've got 106 to 109 overall exchange where you can put 106 to 109 overall players. You can get a minimum amount of 810,000 coins as well, and maximum amount of 9.4 million coins. There is not a great chance you're gonna get 9.4 mil, but even if you get 800,000 coins from each one of them, there we go. We go 1.8 mil, for example, from that one. So you can get more than 800,000, but at least if you get 800,000, even that's pretty decent. If you go like 10 players, that's 8 million coins guaranteed. But we also got this 110 overall player that you can go 110 overall exchange, that you can go ahead and do, where you're gonna get a minimum amount of 5 million coins. You can also get 7.9 mil, 12.3 mil, and 22 million coins. Up to 22 million coins you can go on and get that. And if you pack any 110 overall founder players, for example, or if you got any other 110 overall players that are untradeable, you should definitely do this exchange right there, because you're getting a guaranteed amount of 5 million coins, but you got a chance to get up to 22 million coins. As you can see, I've got a couple of these founder players right there, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this 4 times, right? Yeah, 4 times. I got 4.95 million coins 2 times. Can you get more than that at least once out of these 4? It's gonna be highly unlikely, but at least I'm gonna get like 20 million coins from 4 of these cards, which I wouldn't even use either way, and I've got nowhere to put them, of course. So that's just guaranteed 20 million coins right there, which is not awful. Not only the untradeable ones though, but the tradable exchanges are quite decent as well. If you go 106 to 109 overall players, you can get 108 mil, 1.8 mil to 9.4 million coins as well. I've got 108 overall Drogba, for example, only right now, but you might have a lot of these cards. If you can't sell them from in the market, you can go and do this exchange and get some guaranteed coins as well. And we've got 102 to 105 overall tradable ones as well that you can go ahead and do if you want to. You're gonna get 260,000 coins is the minimum amount, but we also got the 110 overall tradable one where you're gonna get 11 million coins minimum. And this is a very, very good one, because you can get 110 overall cards in the market for 10 million coins, or 10.1 mil to 10.4 mil. It's very, very easy to get those cards for about 10 million coins. I've got a couple of them right now. Bam, you can get minimum amount of 11 mil and maximum amount of 22 mil, but you can get those cards for 10 million coins. As you can see right there, I got one the Boomers for 10 mil, and most of these cards, I got them for like 10 mil, 10.1 mil. So it's a very, very good exchange to do. You're gonna get at least 1 million coins guaranteed from the tradable 110 overall exchange as well. But you also have a chance to get like 12 million coin profit, because you're spending 10 mil and you're gonna get minimum amount of 11 mil back, but also you got a chance to get 22 million coins back, of course. So let's see how many times I'm gonna get more than 11 mil. This is gonna be guaranteed 10 million coin profit almost, at least, because I paid 10 million coins for these cards and I'm gonna get 11 million coins guaranteed. I mean, for some of them I paid 10.1 mil, so it's like 9 million coin guaranteed, like 9 to 10 million coin guaranteed profit. But we can get more than that if we get more than 11 million coins at least once, which is not that likely, but at least it's some coins, right? At least it's some guaranteed coins right there. One the Boomers, let's go ahead and put that card right there as well. give me more than 11 mil. It's not highly likely, as I said, to get more than 11 million coins, but we'll try to get it at least once. There we go, 13.2 million coins. That's 3 million coin profit instead of 1 mil right there. So that already took it to like 11, 12 mil, whatever. 11 million coins again. Am I gonna get 22 mil once? I'm not really sure, but we'll see. We got 3 more to go. We got 11 million coins once again. VT, we're gonna put that Sancho back in there, and we're gonna get 11 million coins once again. And from the last one, are we gonna get more than 11 mil? We'll go ahead and find out. And there we go, we got 13.2 million coins again. So almost 15 million coin profit, right? 14 at least, I think. 13 to 14 million coin profit right there, which is not awful, which is definitely not awful. You can go ahead and do other exchanges, as I said as well. I've got a lot of these 102 to 105 overall untradeable cards that I can go ahead and put in this exchange, for example. I'm not gonna do this right now because it's not that exciting, only 117,000 coins. But we got a lot of these. I want to see how many times I can get more than 800,000 coins from this one, for example. So I'm going to do a couple of these to end this video on and see if we can get. I think I'll go 1.8 mil once or twice, right, in this video from this one instead of 800,000 coins. So let's see if we can get it once more, and then we're going to end the video right there. We're getting 1.8 mil. Here we go then. We got 1.8 mil already from a couple of these after opening a couple of these. So yeah, that's a decent one, definitely. You can go ahead and make some decent amount of coins from there. Not like billions of coins, but at least millions, right? You might have some 110 overall tradable cards in your team that you haven't sold yet, that you shouldn't sell because you can go ahead and get more coins in the exchanges. You might have some untradeable 110 overalls. If you got untradeable or tradable 111 overall players or higher, you should go ahead and put them in the exchange to get club points. If you go lower than that, then you should go ahead and put them in these coin exchanges. And with these coins, you can go ahead and get some more players, 111 plus overall players, to then get some more club points, I guess. We're gonna put in Cobble right there. I don't need to use any of these players in my team, of course. It's almost the end of the game. I won't use this either way, and I might use coins to go ahead and buy some players and get some more club points. So it's a very nice exchange right now. It's a very nice exchange. As you can see, I can't put some of these cards in the exchange. That's because they are in one of my teams. I'm going to take them out later on. I just want to see if I can get 9.4 mil at least once. We're getting 810,000 coins from almost every single one of them, which is not great, but it will do, I guess. From 10 of these, it's 8 million coins. 810,000 coins once again. We're going to do 3 more until we get to 20. And can we get 9.4 mil out of one of these 3? We'll see. We're gonna put. Oh, is that Nicolas Jackson? I think that's new Chelsea striker, right? Nicolas Jackson. I think that was the guy. Anyways, this is gonna be the last one that we're gonna do. I'm gonna put Stanks because I've got a couple of them, so why not? Here we go, and we got 810,000 coins again. That's gonna be the end of the video then for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it and if you found it helpful. And peace.